Is your life a mess? Cause mine sure is. So here's me making an entire video about resetting my mindset, resetting my goals, journaling. Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm Kirti Asijanio and you're gonna watch me reset my life for the month of August in this video. Today is the 1st of August and I had a very busy morning, which you have already seen in the previous vlog. Now is the time for me to reset. I've I just I don't know. I think I found the comfort in the mess of my life. So like you can it's chaotic 99% of the time. 1% that I decide to glow up, I show up on the internet and I want to make that 1% my lifestyle. So here's me making an entire video about it, about resetting my phone because my storage bhar gayi hai, resetting my mindset, resetting my goals, journaling. I have not journaled in 2 or 3 months. Like last, I journaled in May. That's kind of disturbing to me. I used to journal every single day. Now, this video is gonna have a lot of talking. If you have a problem with me or my voice or how I talk, just click it off. I'm not forcing you to watch it. Nobody is. And if you're gonna watch this whole video, and maybe I'm gonna start writing about my life here too. Like I deal with shit on a daily basis, so I have controversies, I have topics to talk. I just choose not to talk about them. I feel it's peaceful for me and for everybody, so there's no point. Now that I'm daily vlogging, chaos है वो ज़्यादा छुपा नहीं है क्योंकि काफ़ी visible हो चुकी है मेरी life. Like I start vlogging from the morning or afternoon जब भी मैं उठती हूँ, and then I keep vlogging, and I actually love it. Like I do. If you have been in a slump, this is your sign to get up and get your shit together. I mean, when you just get like sudden friendship breakups and just a lot of toxicity in your life, you do go in a slump. I went in one too, but 10 days ago I started this challenge called 75 Soft and I've been in a better position. Clearly not the best, but the better. I'm trying to be the best and fake it till you make it, cause why not? I used to watch these videos a lot. Like I love Nicole, I love Alicia Marie. Obviously Alicia Marie is the OG. I have been watching her since 2015 I guess and adore her. I love Advika Singh. I also love Erika Diane. God, she is so pretty and she's my age, so if I ever could be friends with her, like I will show this video to her like, bro, I used to talk about you. Like I adore these monthly resets kind of videos. I wanted to make one 6 months mid-year glow up, but I don't know, I just did not have the energy to. So here's me making 4 months before the new year. So 4 months is a lot. Okay, 4 months is like what, 30 120 days. So in 120 days I'm pretty sure everybody can just glow up a little, change a little and just be more what they want to become, because I want to become a lot of things and I'm this a little close. Like obviously you get a little closer every single day if you're working. If you're not,
the next.
Hello, today is the 2nd of August and it's currently 10:34. So I have to edit my video right now, which I have to upload at 12. I'm going to apply a hair mask first, which I'm going to DIY. DIY ट्राई करूँगी, बट एक भी ब्लेंड का हेयर मास्क है वो थोड़ा चिपचिप करता है, तो मैं उसी में थोड़ा उसको मिक्स करके मुझे अच्छा लगता है, तो वो मैं करने वाली हूँ अभी. और फिर हमारे पास है एक लिस्ट जो होने वाली है आज की चेकलिस्ट. द लिस्ट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू talk about right now because we have to do a brain dump, which I think I probably did yesterday, but we'll see if I have anything else to write. So basically I was editing this video and the voice was just not there, so here I am recording the whole thing again. Basically पहला point यही था मेरा कि no, I have been very cold lately, so I don't like that about myself right now, so I have to change that again to the sweeter. Actually it's 11 PM right now and I'm like recording this and then I have to edit this also, cause Love how stupid I am. Not checking the mic before recording a whole damn video. And also, I was talking about how I need to detox my phone, which I did obviously. I don't have any footage of that, but I detoxified my phone. I deleted around 700 photos and 120 something videos. I also need to work on being less exhausted because I get exhausted pretty damn easily. Like I was exhausted after filming and editing 77 days regularly, and because for YouTube it takes a lot, like it takes a lot of footage and a lot of editing and re-editing, and you have to watch it over and over and over again, so it takes a lot. And then I was talking about how the Tata shoot morning made me feel, because everything about that day, about that morning was just perfect. I woke up on time, I showered, my makeup was looking great, although it was literally just two products, but it was looking great. My fit was looking amazing, my hair was okay, my shoes were okay, my nails were okay, and everything was just aligned, and everything just spoke about me. So, and I wanted to just feel more like that, so that's what I'm going to focus on, like feeling good, looking good, doing good. Like I was just drained till the day before yesterday. Then I got the Tata call and they asked me for the profile approval. They did not get approved directly, so they asked me for the call, and then I was like worried about that. I was not worried, obviously, I was just anxious about that. And then the Sawan Barish hit, and I was like, is this a sign or something? Because my belief in Shivji is something else. My faith in him is just like beyond anything in my life. Like I would take signs like this. So then Sawan Barish came. It was the first one that wasn't gloomy. It was just fresh, um and I stood there in my balcony. I was the first drop hit me, and I just relaxed, like relaxed. I felt like I was in Haridwar or something, because my soul relaxed. So that's what this tattoo means to me. And I got this tattoo after a very exhausting day too. The moment the rain stopped, I got the second call. It was late at night, and I got the call saying, "Hello, your profile is confirmed. Be there at the shoot at 8 a.m. tomorrow." And I was like, "Okay, the outfit, anything, just any." They were like, "Anything, just be a college student." Like I was like, "Okay, I'll just figure something out, and I'll send you some options." I sent them 3 options, and I was like, ठीक है अब आप choose कर लो. And the outfit got approved, everything was approved, and the rain started again. The first one was for me to relax. Now the second one brings me the joy, so that was something that I really enjoyed. I'm not actually recorded a lot of things because I didn't want to just pop them out like that, but I do have a few clips, and other than that it's just me talking. So enjoy. Do a full blown cleaning of everything. जैसे कि मैंने अभी कहा कि मुझे क्लीनिंग करनी है. Then we have organized the astrology files. काफ़ी chaotic है drawers, तो we'll see अगर कर सकते हैं वैसे.
इज़ द ड्रॉर आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर. और मैंने स्टार्ट इसीलिए किया है क्योंकि भाई इतनी कब से कितना सामान इसमें, इतनी ज्वेलरी रखी है, मैं पहनती हूँ नहीं. मेरी लिटरली लाइक मैं आई डोंट एक्सेसराइज एंड आई हैव सो मेनी एक्सेसरीज. लाइक आई नीड टू स्टार्ट एक्सेसराइजिंग. ये सब मैं नेकलेस खरीद के ला रखी हूँ और फंस रहे हैं एक दूसरे में, और मैं पहने ही नहीं बताऊँ. और अब वो वाहियात हो चुके हैं तो मैंने फेंक दिया. बट दिस वॉज द ड्रॉर आई वॉज मोस्ट नर्वस अबाउट, एंड आई वॉज लाइक इसी से स्टार्ट करना है, बाकी सब तो हो भी जाएगा. मुझे पता है बाकी सब 10-10 मिनट का, इसी में मुझे घंटा लगने वाला है. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद दिस.
Utilize a monthly whiteboard calendar that I would be planning my content accordingly. अभी सब प्लान करके चल रही हूँ मैं. Obviously जो ट्रेंड्स आते हैं वो बीच में हो जाता है डबल पोस्टिंग, so that's not an issue, but double posting works, not posting does not work. 22 days of content ready, लिखा हुआ script and everything. I've done everything today. So and none of those 22 are transitions. अब वो बीच में ट्रेंड आ जाए कोई तो मुझे बनानी पड़ेगी. But in all of them are informative videos which I have worked upon, the topics, the scripts and the SEO and everything I've worked upon. आज शाम को journal to reflect on the past month. We have new month, new books, but that's not gonna happen because new month तो है but हमारी इकिगाई चल रही है अभी. So we need to focus on, so we need to just finish that first. Write out monthly goals. As I said yesterday, you have to just get your goals straight. You have to just and never put a number on your goals. It will not happen. Just don't put a number. Put the process. Put the goal. If the process does not work, put another process. It's the way, not the goal. Alright. Choose one area of your life to improve this one. As I said, I need to improve my mental peace, the way I talk, the way I am just like not polite anymore. It just hurts my heart. We have set intentional unproductive days. That is so important, guys. आप प्रोडक्टिव बन के मशीन बन जाओगे. But you all have to have a movie marathon or just a bowling day out, just an arcade day out. You have to have that. I would like to say just have unproductive days, just and don't just be like कि आज मेरा unproductive day है. Just have a layout कि मेरे unproductive days पे मुझे ये करना होता है and do it when you feel like doing it. Don't put if you put a day कि मेरा संडे अनप्रोडक्टिव है तो आप पूरा वीक बस ये सोचते रहोगे संडे कब आएगा और मुझे मूवी देखनी है. That's just not how it works. Like just don't change computer and phone wallpaper. मेरे फ़ोन पे wallpaper केदारनाथ का लगा हुआ है. चेंज मेरा करने का मन नहीं है. मैंने वो जुलाई 2023 से लगा रखा जब मैं केदारनाथ गई थी. इसमें वॉलपेपर लिखा है ना, इसमें लॉक स्क्रीन में लिखा है. तो होम वाला हम चेंज कर लेंगे. देन वी हैव रिव्यू और एक्सपेंसेस. मैंने ये सब भी साफ़ कर दिया है. लाइट वो गिर गई थी कल वाली वीडियो में दिख रहा होगा, वो गिर गई थी. और मेरा हेयर मास्क भी मतलब अभी भी बाल गीले हैं बट मैं गीले बाल को अभी नहीं करती हूँ. बट यू कैन सी कि थोड़ा फेस वगैरह कम हो गया. और मतलब तो डू अ ब्रेन डंप इज डन. Then do a full blown cleaning of everything. We're gonna tick that too. Then we have organized desk drawers. Yes, done. Utilize calendar. अभी मैंने नहीं किया plan, मुझे करना है. ठीक है, utilize नहीं हुआ. Journal to reflect on the past month. I have to do that अभी. New month, new books not happening, तो उसको cross कर देते हैं. Choose one area of your life to improve this month. Yes, I am going to improve. As I have talked about this. I'm going to improve. Set intentional and productive days. I need to just open my journal and then write about all these things because ये सब मेरी notebook में ही होने वाला है. Nice aesthetic wallpaper for the iPad and for phone अंदर वाला change करना है. So I'm gonna think of some new code. I think I've talked a lot in this video, so that's it for the talking part. That was it for the video. I hope you liked the video. I just hope you got up and just did something, and I hope you're not feeling drained as just like I was. And remember, you are the one who's going to get your life together. No one else is going to do that for you. I can just tell people around you can only tell. I know people around you might tell you in a way that isn't much appealing, but I hope this month brings you joy, happiness and healing in every way possible. So thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you think is. Signing off.